Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is going to be on waves.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be making a video on waves today, and this is not financial advice, so always do your own research, and hopefully you guys do enjoy this video.
So if you don't know what waves is, it's a blockchain which is designed to allow you to create custom tokens onto the blockchain. So waves allows the creation and trade of tokens without the need for extensive smart contracts. Rather, they can just be created using scripts, and they're run using scripts, so it's a lot easier. And that is why it's doing so well and why it's so big. It really is doing well, and it is what a lot of people are needing right now. So that's what it is if you didn't know what it is. But if you see the market cap, it's done 50% just today, but as we know, Bitcoin is making its push almost 45k today. It's at 44.7 or something like that right now, and it has caused waves to do a 50% increase. So we were below $1 billion, and now we're above $1 billion market cap. So it's doing very, very well. Just 24 hours ago, we're at $12.55. So as we see here, it's doing very, very well. However, its all-time high was actually $43. But what my guess with what a lot of these tokens are like is that's when the idea was first talked about, and people bought the idea, which caused the pump, and then after it's being developed, it goes all the way down again, and that is why we're at $19 right now. So if you did buy at 43, I'd just say be patient. Of course, not financial advice, but if we look into here, so this is where what we're expecting in the near future is Waves 2.0 with the new consensus with Ethereum, virtual machine support, open collective new governance models, DAO framework, cross-chain finance, bridge to all chains, which is what a lot of projects are doing at the moment, is the bridge to all chains, the gravity bridges, and the universal bridge integration. If you don't know what this is, basically is where you can bridge your, for example, you have a coin on the ERC20 network, you want to bridge it to the BSC, you can do that with a bridge, so you can change it, which is really, really cool. But usually that comes with a lot of fees as well, so don't let that fool you. The meta, a bridge between digital worlds, which is huge. Level 0 inter metaverse protocol, and then the US company and accelerator program, and projected timeline. So there's a lot of things going on and a lot of things to be excited about. Since it is a blockchain which is literally bridging to all chains. So for example, here it is where you have Ethereum, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, all of those chains there, and a lot more, which is really, really interesting. But yeah, if we just get into the technical analysis now and see if it's bullish from there as well.
So, all right, guys, as you can see from Bitcoin, this is one of the main leading factors of why many cryptocurrencies did have that nice pump. And a lot of individuals right now, they are very intrigued to be thinking whether the bull run may continue. However, guys, I do personally think that this is a manipulation. I don't personally think that we are going to be seeing Bitcoin, continue to go back to potentially 69k, which was around here. And as you can see here, this is 69k right here. And yeah, 69,275. Different exchanges had different amounts, but we're just going to be saying $69,000 on average. So yeah, that's where we are at currently right now, and this has currently caused the cryptocurrency um, waves, as you can see here. If I just refresh the page, this has caused the cryptocurrency waves to actually have a nice extrapolated pump, and this was needed. Okay, guys, this was actually needed because we have just been in a massive downward trend. Many people are thinking that we've broken out of a massive downward trend, and ever since we've broken out it, we broke out, we retested, and we pumped higher. But I do think that this is one of the manipulations that is potentially going to be causing the price to potentially pump and then have a massive dump again. But guys, if you are a long-term investor on waves, you shouldn't really be worried. As you can see here, this is a massive downward trend. We have broke out, and the order flow is bullish. We are seeing high highs and high lows made. And keep in mind, this is the daily time frame, so it did take quite some time for it to actually accumulate and potentially reach them higher prices. So yeah, that's what we can say as of right now. And I do think that as time does go along, we are going to be seeing this cryptocurrency kind of maybe consolidate, and we will be giving you guys an update video potentially to see what actually does happen next. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we are seeing higher highs and higher lows made, and it does look like $17 is looking like an amazing area for a price. I'll say $16.50 is looking like a nice area for a great support where price didn't want to break below there. If we go to the hourly time frame, as you can see here, we've dropped down a little bit, then we pumped up higher, and it is looking quite bullish as of right now. I do now want to be seeing us making a higher high just because of the natural bullish trend. If we do make a higher high, that would be pretty nice, and we don't really want a bull flag, since that is going to be a nice consolidation, and it might manipulate people out of their positions as well. But as you guys can see here, we are looking bullish, and it is looking quite nice on the 15-minute as well. So as of right now, no, let's just drop to the 5-minute time frame as well, so we can see what's actually happening. And as you can see, as of right now, it is looking like a great cryptocurrency for potentially higher gains. So yeah, that's what we can see as of right now, and hopefully you guys have enjoyed that analysis.
So that's it for this video. If you feel like you've taken any value from watching this video, then please make sure you do press that like button and also hit that subscribe button. It really does help us out and we really do appreciate it. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a lovely rest of your day.